So this is how you can open an account with Cytonn Money Market Fund on your browser. Search Cytonn Money Market Fund. In this case, I'm using a browser in a computer, that is Chrome. If you have a phone, you can still use your browser. You can use either Opera Mini or Google Chrome or any other browser that you have, or you can download the Cytonn app in your Android phone so that you can use it to log in or to create an account and log in. In this case, I'm using a computer and therefore I'm going to use the website. So after having Cytonn Money Market Fund search, then I'm going to click the first link that I've been provided. Then this is the home page of the Cytonn Money Market Fund. If you don't know what a money market fund is, check in my previous videos. I had explained how money market funds work and how you can save your money. Now this is the home page of Cytonn Money Market Fund. Remember, I chose Cytonn Money Market Fund because it's one of the best with the returns as dividends. Yes. Create or open an account. I'll click here. Let's go and see what happens. Now I'll start the process. Now I am an individual. I'm not going to open a joint account or corporate account, and therefore I'll leave it at individual. Remember, you must fill all the areas marked with a red star, and those that are not marked are optional. Now Cytonn High Yield Fund, Cytonn Money Market Fund, that is exactly what I need. And then next, is it my own Cytonn Money Market Fund Junior or Chama account? Now this is my own, and therefore I click by agreeing, or by clicking you agree with terms and conditions. It's always important before even continuing to check the terms and conditions, read them through and see what it entails, because this deals with money and you may not want to lose your money for no reason. Now these terms and conditions are the ones that takes care of your money, so you better read them through before you continue. In this case, because I had read the terms and conditions, I'll continue, or I'll save and continue. Now you can see it has checked that the first steps, or the first step, has been saved. Now this is the second step. We would like to know you better. Fill in your details. So my title is Mr. If you're a Mrs. or a Miss or a Miss or a doctor, professor, engineer, you can input father, sister, major general. All this you can input. You have been given all the options: reverend, apostle, bishop. In this case, I'm just going to go with Mr. First name is Benson. Last name, I can have it as Charana. And my national ID is the one that I'm going to use. You may want to use the Kenyan passport, other passport, military ID, alien ID. In this case, I'm going to use an ID. My ID number is yes, that is my ID number. My email is I have input my email. Now next, I want to put my phone number. There we go. That's my phone number, and it needs to be verified. Now, though it's optional, there are non-advisors from the money market fund itself. Now we first need to verify this number. A token will be sent in my phone. I'm waiting for the message to come. My token is 135 319. Yes, it has been verified, and therefore I'll save and continue. Yes, it's loading. Yes, now to the third. You see the second stage, or about my details, the second step has been verified, and therefore I've just received a message from Cytonn which reads, hi, thank you for activating your Cytonn account. Dial star 808 hash to access your account and use 67 dash 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 as your PIN. Quote your client code as 9426 dash 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 whenever you send funds to us. Now those are some of the personal details, and now here is my password. I may want to choose my own or use a strong password. Okay, yes, I may want to use that, and then I'll change later. Save and continue. I have successfully created my account, and now I want to log in. The username is my email. Now after that, after logging in successfully, I want to activate my account. I'll come here and try to make a deposit of in my account. In this case, I'm going to say it's a saving amount. I may start with 1,000, and then I can use the M-Pesa to pay. Those are the payment details. That's my account number. Save and continue. And yes, here we go. Congratulations, your account has been successfully set up, and you are now ready to continue with your investment journey. Your client code is given. Quote this whenever you transact with us. We shall send a business confirmation on investor. Thank you for investing with us. Go to dashboard. Now in my phone as well, I have received a pop-up requesting me to input my M-Pesa PIN. This is it. You can see it. And now I'm going to input my PIN, and then I can deposit the money. So generally, that's how you create an account with Cytonn and start saving your money. I also have an account with Cytonn Money Market Fund, which is also not bad. You can also save with Cytonn Money Market Fund, which is also good. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and also like this video.